What's good, music producers? It's Curtis King of Curtis King TV, and today I have a short tutorial to show you how to use the sounds that are sitting on your channel rack and basically map them all across your MIDI keyboard without using FPC and being able to use your keys almost like an MPC. Super easy, 2 ways. Let's talk about it. Okay, music producers, let's break this down. What you want to do is go to your channel rack and basically drag any sounds that you want to use, your kick, your hi-hat, your clap or snare, and just lay them out as usual on your channel rack. Now, this is a way that I learned from Larry O. Basically, you want to just add another plugin that is already based in FL called Layer. You take Layer, lay it off here to the side, and then basically click on one of the sounds, hold down Shift, and click this green button or this green box next to both of them, all of them, and basically come over here to Layer, and then what you want to do is set children. What that basically says is that I want to use all these sounds within one layer that we're going to actually start to mess around with our keyboard. Now, that's not the last step. You basically want to go here to the drop down menu and split children because you don't want them to all play on the same note as such. So you go here to Layer, split children, starting from C5. Right? So that's a super easy way. But another way that you can do it, say, for instance, you don't have a whole lot of drums, or say you don't want to go through all of these steps, is another way that I learned years ago, and I had no idea so many producers were unaware. But let's go ahead and delete this layer section just to make sure it doesn't interfere with this. So as it is right now, obviously we're only editing these, and you got to be careful too. Once you do the channel and set children on, the layer is going to basically take it to one note. So you just basically go over here and then reset that. But in this scenario, this is basically the default setting. If I want to do the same thing, and you can record these in both modes, go to Options, go to MIDI Settings, and then scroll over here to Omni Preview and drag it up to 1. Now, play across your keyboard. All the white keys. And then you can record it as such. What the Omni Preview is, I had to actually go for an explanation myself, but basically it allows you to set a channel on your MIDI keyboard where each keyboard key, starting at C5, previews a separate channel in a step sequencer. So, pretty self-explanatory. So as you can see, super easy ways to do this. If you have any other ways, definitely don't be shy. Share those within the comments below. If you have any other questions or any tutorials you want me to do in the future, just let me know and I'll go ahead and try to knock those out. In this life, you will not be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest. Once again, it's Curtis King of slapexperts.com. Have a good one. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.